Bitch, you criminal smooth. And it ain't nothing new. On the graph of the loop. And I hang with the mob.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video is me showing y'all how I edit my Instagram pictures, because we all know we all kind of do some sort of fixing to our photos. But yeah, I'm gonna show you how I edit my Instagram photos on my iPhone 8 Plus. And for a second, like, let's look at my makeup. Like, focus. Okay, you see that? It looks so good right now. I'm using the Wet n Wild photo focus. It's the matte one, but I want to try the dewy one I saw on YouTube. Some girl was doing it, trying it out, and I really want to try it out because I mean, like, it matches my skin really good. I'm using a Wet n Wild loose glitter, that powder one, and I use Daisy on the eyes, the dark Daisy Marquez eyeshadow palette, Benefit eyebrows, and NYX soft matte. How I use on my lips, and my makeup looks so bomb. Like, my look looks good. And also I changed up my ring light. I put, because since it came with the little lens, I came with orange ones, and I'm trying out, like, I put one on top and one at the bottom, and then I have the original white on the side. So tell me if y'all like this lighting better than my other one, because I'm trying to test it out. I want to, before you watch my video, subscribe. We're growing pretty quickly, like, I'm so grateful for that. And don't forget to turn on your bell notification, because you want to be notified every time I post. And from now on, I think I'll be posting 2 times a week. I'm positively I want to post this one today, and for sure I'll post on Saturdays, always at 3. And yeah, so if you want to keep watching, stick around, guys. Okay, so how I'm gonna do this, because I've never done this. Okay, this is my phone right when you turn it on, and then once you open it, I have my baby on here. So the apps I use to is Facetune. I use Facetune. So we're gonna go there, we're gonna insert a photo. So let me pick a photo. We're gonna use this picture. I took this on Monday, and we're gonna zoom in real quick. Okay, so this is a photo. I like to zoom in and look at my face. I like to at first smooth it out, and you want to use tapping motions. So you want to zoom in and just tap a little. I don't really need that much on my forehead because it looks smooth enough. See that? And then a little bit on my cheeks, just a little bit. Me, a little bit, and still tapping. But, and then a little bit down my nose. Let me change the lighting. So we're gonna still tap, zoom in, go around the nose. Okay, and then we go zoom, and then we press erase, and then we erase the eyes, because sometimes your eyes can look a little foggy because of the smoothness, just on your lips, and then your hair. Okay, so your face is smooth out, so you want to do is press the check mark, and then you want to go to whiten. I like to press whiten, zoom into my eyes to make my eyeballs a little bit brighter. Other eye. And then my nose, just like a little blink. And then right here where it's highlighted, where the picture took my photo, where it's shown like really highlighted parts. See, like my eye area, so I like to brighten it up. Brighten it up more. Brighten up just a little bit. And then my chin, because my chin's highlighted. Okay. And then what we're gonna do is our collarbone, where it's highlighted. My neck's highlighted. Just anywhere else that looks highlighted. Okay. So I look good. Check mark. And then I like to go into detail and detail my jewels because I need some. And then your eyes. What I do to make my eyes look glossy. I like just to go over a few times. And then the jewels. And then the lashes a little bit to make them look a little bit darker. Oh, and also my eyebrows. Okay. And then your hoops. My necklaces. Okay. And then you press check mark. And then I like to go into tone. Press tone. Since the camera is picking up my skin a little white, so I like to pick picker, and then I press on my skin so it shows me that color. So then I'm gonna put tone, zoom into my face, and then just start patting to bronze up my face and match my chest area. See that? And then just a little bit on the cheeks. Just a little bit. And a little bit on the jawline. And then zoom into the nose. Give that little shadow. We know we like to contour. Okay, zoom out. And this is our face. To make us look yummy. And now we press check mark. And then sometimes I do this in my photos and sometimes I don't, but I go into defocus. Then I go into, I think it's defocus. Well, right? No, it's, well, I go into blur. I'm sorry. But I go into blur and I blur everything out. It's because, you know, we don't got that new iPhone right now. So we're going to make everything blurry and to make us look more popped out. So we just a little bit. Y'all should be lucky I'm showing y'all the little tricks. So y'all can make y'all's pictures look fire. And then you put erase and then you put move so we can zoom in and see where we messed up. We got our little hairs and our ears. And then zoom out, just go by section. Okay, and then a little bit. And there y'all go. This is how press check mark. And this is honestly how you see the difference. My eyes, my face, like it blends everything together. So yeah, guys, that's a little quick and easy how I do. And I also spray tanned. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but I'm really liking the color. Let me drink a little bit. But yeah, and I did a green look. with some green little clippies. But yeah, I spray tanned, and I really like the color. Like, I really like this color, and it was light. Sally Hansen, the lightest spray tan, because you know I don't like to be really dark, but that one was pretty nice on me, so I really enjoyed that. Button, you put save the camera roll, and it's saved in your photos. So you go to your photos, recent, there it is. You're looking real snatched. Should I post that? I think I should. But yeah, that's how I do my Instagram photos. Sometimes I put filters, sometimes I don't, but like for editing wise, I like to do that. And like, I'll show you all how I got this color, because there's original and there's vivid. That's what the color I use first. So that is it for my video. I hope y'all guys enjoy just showing y'all my little tricks I do to make me look more beautiful, to make me look a little bit more snatched. But yeah, and I'll be posting, I don't know, let me know down in the comments, telling me what day I should post on my second day. Should I post on Wednesdays or should I post on Tuesdays? I'm really thinking about Wednesdays since I'm posting it now on Wednesday, and I don't want y'all to be confused. So yeah, let me know guys. I want to know. And now we're at 254 followers, subscribers I mean guys. Oh my god, subscribers, and I'm so thankful, and I hope we can hit 300 because that'll be so cool. This video today, because who doesn't love some tips on how to edit photos, you know? Because we're also learning. I'm still learning how to do like different ways how to do editing on stuff, different ways on editing on pictures. And don't forget, like I mentioned in the beginning, tell me if you like the lighting or not. I'm still trying it out. I don't know. I don't know to change out the orange, put the white back on to make it more brighter, or just to leave it. I mean, it looks natural lighting because it gives like orange lights like sun, and then just like mixing it just gives like good lighting. But I don't know if y'all like it or not. So, oh my god, excuse me. Okay, so thank y'all guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your bell notification. Don't forget to share it. Don't forget to comment, because I love comments, and I'll reply to you. I like to reply to my subscribers, and I should also start saying hey boos, because that should be our little thing, guys. So you like my hey boos or like hey boo boos, because I call that my nieces and nephew. I call them, that's a little name, so I should something special for me. So I want to do something special for us and just call y'all hey boos. And that should be our thing now, because we're going to be different, because we cute or whatever. And if you have any question, guys, just leave a comment down below and I'll reply back to y'all. Thank y'all guys for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.